What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of New Parents in Training. See here, I ordered a suit from this company called Indochino. So my best friend's getting married. So instead of go out and rent a suit or to purchase one off rack, we decided to go and get a custom tailor-made suit. And this company is actually price is very reasonable, and they are just so happen they have a storefront by the mall near the Galleria area. So we went. It was a couple weekends ago on a Saturday. The turnaround speed was pretty quick. So I got my suit made and shipped to me 2 weeks later on a Sunday. So it's fairly quickly, and the price was very reasonable too. So here's my receipt. The suit itself costs $3.99. That's the jacket and the pants, and also the vest. We also ordered a vest as well. That's $99, and some accessory like a blue shirt, tie, and whatnot. So all in all together is $615, and there was a coupon of $32 that's subtract from the total. So with the tax and everything, it came out to be $631.10. So this is actually, I wish I know ahead of time that I'm gonna unbox this thing, so I would have just record some of the stuff while we were there getting the our body measured. But that day, it just skipped my mind. Anyway, so when the package came by DHL, it looks kind of nice. It's, it's wrapped in plastic, but there's a box inside. So everything looked pretty fancy. Well, yeah, nothing is damaged. So I'm gonna unbox it now. So it was very convenient to go there and get your size measure. We went there on the Saturday. The appointment was set for 11. I got mine done at 11:30. So 30 minutes in and out. It was very quick. And the customer service was really good too. The store is very well lit. Um, all in all, I feel like I'm getting my money's worth, and this is the first time I got a suit that's actually tailor made to my size. Normally, I mean, the suit I would get, I do have a set that's really expensive, but that's still just off the rack. Like, so most of the suit that I have bought in my life were just they already made, and I just picked one that's really close to my size and have them to tailor a little bit and to fit my size or my requirement a little bit more. But this is very different. I mean, the suit itself, there are a lot of detail that I have to select in order to have my suit done. So the whole experience is very different than just purchase something off the rack. Okay, Indochino, made to measure. Now let's open it up. Okay, it looks very tightly held up. It held up pretty well. I mean, consider this was shipped from China. So I'm assuming that they had this made. Well, the measurement was done here in the US, and then they send the measurement to China and have it done. But yeah, the turnaround time is extremely fast. There's a thank you card, and also it tells you if your jacket has vents and they will be stitched together, remove the stitches. Well, I didn't know that before. So yeah, I remember it was like my college year, someone pointed out to me the vent in the back of the jacket is supposed to be cut off. Yeah, but anyway, so yeah, they also let you know that you're supposed to do that. And they also let you know how to take care of the suit, dry clean only, and hang the suit. Anyway, so they provide you with a hanger. So here's the suit itself. As you can see here, this shirt is also tailor-made. Just made to my measurement. Here's the vest. I picked the liner inside. I like purple, color purple. So yeah, that's one of the things that you will get from tailor-made. Because if you purchase something off the rack, unless the jacket or the suit itself is already have a liner that you wanted, then you are not going to get it. Yeah, the tailor-made, you actually get that. I mean, they have so much selections, so the combination is overwhelming. So yeah, you can pick your fabric and the color of your fabric and so on and so forth. And here's the jacket. It has my name stitched inside of it. So yeah, that's something that it's all included in the price too. So imagine that, right? So we have the jacket, the vest, the pants, and also a So I guess when you're not needing to wear the suit, you can hang inside this bag. So make everything convenient. Okay, so I'm gonna go try it on and see how I feel and how it look. Yeah, so according to the store, if I need to make any changes, I able to do it within 10 days after I receive the package. So that's also free as well. So let me go change real quickly. I'll be right back. Even though I didn't have any pre-recording of the store initially, but then I have to go back in for the readjustment. So here is the footage that we went in for the readjustment. Okay, so after I unboxed it, I was thinking about just trying it on and show it to you guys, but it turns out that, well, the shirt, it was too wide, and also the pants was too short. So I had to go to the store and get it readjusted. So it turned out that the pants, they can readjust it, and then it will be tailored here, and they had me to pick it up in about 2 weeks. But the shirt, since there's no way for them to trim it, they had to redo it for me. So I waited another 2 weeks for everything to arrive. The shirt came from China, but the pants I just went to pick up at the store after they notified me that it's been done. So yeah, here is the suit that's been in the final form. The tie, I am not quite sure what the tie would be at the wedding, but I'm just trying one on to just kind of present myself so you can get to see it. I personally like this store. The experience was pretty good. Everything is very professional, very efficient. You go in and out very quickly. The turnaround time is really quick. First time we go there, and then 2 weeks later, the suit arrived, and I went in for adjustment, and then another 2 weeks later, I get the holding back. So if you are thinking about getting your soup done at Indochino, expect about 4 to 5 weeks turnaround time for everything to be done the way that you want it. But aside from that, everything is great. And I especially like the lime. I don't know about you. This is the first time I get to choose the inside of the soup, the best inside as well. Everything is made to for my spec. So I guess it's just going to be one of a kind for this soup. Well, this is it for this episode. You know what to do. Like and sub. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.